Determining the value of an unknown variable. So I'm going to solve this equation for the unknown variable a, which means I will end up with a equaling a number. So I have 3a plus 5 equals 20, and my goal is to get a on its own, so I'm going to go 3a plus 5, and I'm going to subtract 5, and this will equal 20 subtract 5. Because whatever I do to one side of the equation, I must do to the other, because there's an equal sign in the middle. So to keep it equal, I must do the same operations on both sides. So I now have 3a, and 5 minus 5 cancels out, and this is equal to 20 minus 5, which is 15. The next step, I have 3 multiplied by a equals 15. The inverse of multiplying by 3 is dividing, so I will divide by 3. So this one here will cancel out. 3 divided by 3. I have a, and it is equal to 15 divided by 3 is 5. And again, I can check that my answer is correct. So if a equals 5, I go to my original equation. I have 3 multiplied by a, which is 5. Plus 5 equals 20, so 3 times 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, so I know I am correct. So a final example, I have 2 brackets 4a plus 3 equals 22, so again I am solving for a. I will start by expanding the brackets out, so I will have 2 multiplied by 4a and 2 multiplied by 3. And I do like to show all of my working out, so I'll have 2 multiplied by 4a plus 2 multiplied by 3 equals 22, and I will simplify this. So I've got 2 multiplied by 4a is 8a, plus 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 equals 22. And I'm solving this for a, so I have 8a plus 6, and I will do the inverse and subtract 6, and this equals to 22. And again, remember, whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I must do to the other, so I'll subtract 6. I now have 8a equals, because these have cancelled out, equals 22 subtract 6, so 8a equals 16. And I have got, let me just move this up, divide both sides by 8. This cancels out, so 8 cancels out, and I have a equal to 2. And again, I can go back to my original and check. So if a equals 2, I have a being 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, multiplied by 2 is 22, and I know I am correct.